Installing the Bazyths Smart Toilet ZYS1 is easier than you think. First, I removed the old unit and prepped the floor area. The water line connects directly to the inlet. Here, super simple. The toilet mounts securely with the included hardware, and all the electrical wiring is plug and play.
And plug it in.
The foam shield insert snaps into place, and just like that, done. It's ready to use. This is a Bazyths Smart Toilet ZYS1, and it's packed with high-end features that you won't find in most high-end bathrooms. Let's start with one of its most unique innovations, the foam shield. It's basically a high-density foam that activates automatically. It creates a foam barrier that blocks splashes and locks in odors. The result? A cleaner, fresher bathroom every single time. Next up, check this out. As I approach, the automatic lid opens all by itself, completely touchless. You can also use the foot sensor to raise or lower the lid, seat, or even flush. It's incredibly convenient and perfect for hygiene. After use, you'll notice the powerful warm air dryer, which kicks in with one of 4 temperature settings. It runs for a full 3-minute cycle, leaving you dry and comfortable without needing any toilet paper. Now here's something impressive for homes with low or fluctuating water pressure. This model has a built-in tank and works under 0 water pressure. It flushes quietly and efficiently, no matter what your home plumbing is like. All in one, the Bazyths ZYS1 combines smart design with real-world practicality. Whether it's the foam shield, the hands-free controls, the heated drying, or the tank system, this smart toilet upgrades your experience from start to finish. This is easily one of the most impressive smart toilets I've ever tested. Installation was a breeze and the features work just as advertised. I highly recommend it. The dryer works great. You can actually feel the heat. So to wrap it up, the Bazyths Smart Toilet ZYS1 isn't just about looks, it's really about function too. From the hands-free automatic lid to the foot sensor for flushing and lifting the seat, it's designed to make every visit cleaner and more convenient. The foam shield really stands out. It creates a protective barrier that helps block splashes and odors. It's something I didn't know I needed until I had it. The built-in tank and quiet flush system means you're not relying on water pressure, so it's ideal for any home, even those with older plumbing. And the warm air dryer? Total game changer. It's customizable, it's fast, and it cuts down on waste. Overall, if you're looking to upgrade your bathroom with something modern, smart, and actually useful, the Bazyths ZYS1 is worth a serious look. I really enjoy it, and I think you'll be impressed with it too.